Alright guys, one of my not so favorite jobs to do, an evaporator core. 2020 Freightliner Cascadia. A bunch of bolts down in there I got to take out. Yeah, we're going to get after it. So, AC evaporator core, I got to take this whole dash just about all the way out. Alright guys, there's bolts down in there between the dash and the windshield. They have to come out. There's like 6 of them. And it's really hard to see them. You see that hole right there? I took that bolt out already. And they're all the way across the top of the dash. And I already got all this apart. Clusters out. There's a bolt. And here it has to come out. That bolt there needs to come out. These bolts here across the top. Yeah, we'll get her. The whole dash has got to come most of the way out. So, be right back. Alright guys, these things are really not that bad. I got almost all the bolts out. Now we just need to pull this out. This whole thing will come out of here. Like so. See that? Whole thing will come out. Alright guys, I got her almost all unhooked. There's 2 nuts that are missing on their studs. There's like 5 of them. There's 2 on the other side. On the driver's side, this whole box will come out. The heater core is right inside that box right there. Heater core and evaporator. So, I'll be back in a minute. I got the box out. Heater box. It's laying on the workbench. Waiting to get the parts before I take it apart. That's a lot of screws. So yeah, these are not that bad. I've got like 2 hours in it. But the box is out. The evaporator, heater core, HVAC box, whatever you want to call it, it's out. And I just got to put the new core in it and put it all back together. Alright guys, she's getting ready to go back together. The box is still out. Yeah, start putting her back together. I got the heater core switched out of the box already. So, right back. The box with the new heater core in it. Right here. I don't want to bore you guys with taking this box apart, but it's not too bad. We'll put it back in the truck now. Be right back. Guys, that's all there is to it. Bolts here. Hold it in there. Right here. Get it started. dash is out of the truck too. The bungee cord's on the back. I want to take this time to thank you guys for watching my videos. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. You all know what to do. It really helps me out. Thank you guys all for watching. I appreciate every one of you. We'll be right back. Alright guys, got the box all in there. The little stud right there, the bolt and nut. Holding the box in, got the vent all hooked back up. Now I just gotta slide the dash back in it. And it goes like up in here. And that's the box. That whole box I had to take out. Change that out. It's not that bad of a job, guys. I mean, it looked bad, but it's not. So we'll be right back. I'm gonna get this. I got this bungee corded to hold it over there. And I'm bungee cord it and put it back. So she's going back together nicely. Be right back.